Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea Dunkin Donuts only way. Start by brewing a strong black tea concentrate using 2 tea bags per cup and hot water steeped for 5 minutes. While it steeps, prepare a simple syrup so sweetness blends fully into cold tea. Cool the concentrate quickly over an ice bath, then mix with cold water, adjust sweetness, and serve over fresh ice for crisp results. Brew 2 strong pitchers by steeping 4 to 6 tea bags per liter in hot water for 5 minutes, then remove bags promptly to avoid bitterness. Stir in simple syrup while the concentrate is warm so the sugar dissolves completely and flavor distributes evenly. Transfer the warm concentrate to an ice bath to cool fast, then dilute with cold water to taste and pour over a tall glass filled with fresh ice for authentic Dunkin-style iced tea. Aim for a balanced sweetness that stays perceptible as ice melts in the glass. Add a squeeze of lemon for brightness or a sprig of mint for subtle lift, but keep additions restrained so the black tea remains the star. Always serve in a chilled glass over abundant ice to preserve temperature and flavor, and taste once more before serving to ensure it matches your preferred strength and sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.